Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys doing wonderful. Guys, I just want to walk through the garden for a moment, show you guys how my plants are growing, also do some harvesting at the same time. Okay? So here, basically what I'm going to be harvesting today, I'm going to be harvesting peppers and okra. So yeah. I always leave a few on the plant to basically bring in the others. I never try to pick everything from the plant. Okay? Alright, so here I'm gonna try to pick some okra right here. This okra is too hard because I leave it too long, so I have to leave this one to turn seed. Okay? All right, let's go this way. All right. Over here, we have some okra here. I call this okra Mother Africa. This is the name I give this okra. Such a beautiful okra plant. Okay. That's all I'm harvesting today. It's going to be okra, pepper, and tomatoes. Nice size pepper. Okay. 4 pepper on this tree. So out of the 4, I'm going to only pick 2 of them and leave the other 2. Which is this one and the other one. This one. Okra is a very healthy plant that I think everyone should plant because okra produce something that studies state can help fight cancer, help prevent you from getting cancer. So it's a very good plant that I think everyone should have in their house. The rain has fallen. and pop the lid on this pepper. You see? This is bell pepper. I also have another bell pepper here which I'm going to pick because I don't want the rain. I don't want the rain. Come and pop the lid. The reason why monkey pepper. So we have this bell pepper, we have this monkey pepper, we also have this banana pepper, and we're going to be harvesting Jalapeño pepper. Marvelous. And this one, we have the green all coming down. Right? Okay. So now we have a whole tree full with banana pepper. We have the hot banana pepper and we also have the sweet banana pepper. You see, we have pretty nice pepper. Now we have the jalapeño pepper that we're going to be cooking some of them as well. So we're not going to pick all. We're going to leave 2 on this tree. And right behind us right here, there's one right here. We have 2 here, so we're going to take 1. We have 2 here. We're going to take these 2. Okay. We have a tree. This tree loaded. This tree has like 7 of them. So we're going to pick at least 5. This pepper is very hot and well flavored. I plant them every year because I just enjoy them. Some of them I put in the jar, some of them I freeze, and some of them I just leave them and just cook them. Small trees, I have with banana peppers as well. So we're gonna pick these banana peppers. We have no pepper on this tree, but I'm gonna leave them. This tree loaded, this tree outside. But I'm gonna leave them. Okay? This is banana pepper, jalapeno pepper, Italian pepper, and we have monkey pepper. So guys, it's just food and more food. I'm just planting. This is more squash. We have black eyed peas. We have everything. Right. So now we harvesting tomato. You see? When I leave them to ripe, the birds eat them out, you see? But that's fine. You have to leave for the animal. You can't eat everything. You definitely can't eat everything. Every 2 to 3 days we come in this garden, we have tomato to harvest. And I've been doing this. This is my 5th to 6th time harvesting tomatoes from this garden, from the same tomato plants. Alright? And right here we have So we have a few more tomato for harvest, guys, but I'm gonna end the harvest right here. So basically, this is my harvest for today. I have squash to harvest, but I'm not gonna do it today. Alright? So yes, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this video motivates you to want to plant your garden. Peace, love, and blessing. Don't forget, guys, to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.